The Metro Blue Line Extension Light Rail Transit Project is proposed to operate on 13.4 miles of light rail track connecting downtown Minneapolis to the communities of North Minneapolis, Robbinsdale, Crystal, and Brooklyn Park.
The Blue Line extension will connect with the existing Blue Line, which runs between the MSP Airport and downtown Minneapolis at Target Field Station. The Blue Line extension and its 13 new stations will be part of an integrated system of transitways serving our region, including connections to the Metro Green Line, bus rapid transit lines, existing bus service, and other planned future transitways.
Light rail service will provide an affordable and reliable transportation option, greatly increasing mobility and access to opportunities and destinations in communities where many households don't own a car or choose to rely on transit to meet daily needs. This includes 10th Avenue in the North Loop neighborhood of Minneapolis. Located within the historic Warehouse District, residents and visitors come for sports, nightlife, restaurants, and shopping. The Blue Line extension will turn 10th Avenue into a car-free transitway with new facilities for people walking, biking, and rolling. To improve access and traffic circulation in the area, the Blue Line extension project will also add new roadway connections and parking on nearby streets. A new light rail station at Plymouth Avenue will connect riders to the many jobs and vibrant entertainment and dining destinations throughout the North Loop area.
Since the beginning of the project, community input has shaped design decisions, including the North Loop route. Many options were studied for this section of the route. A final decision to use 10th Avenue and Washington Avenue was made after extensive community engagement and consultation with project partners.
Adding a 13th station at West Broadway and Washington Avenue is another example of how community and partner input has shaped the project. This new station will provide access to recent and planned housing and commercial developments in the area.
From Washington Avenue, the train will cross over I-94 on a new bridge that will also carry people walking, rolling, biking, and driving. This new community connection will better connect Northside residents to jobs, services, vibrant business districts, and the Mississippi River recreation area east of the interstate. During early engagement, we heard concerns from businesses and community about potential business and parking impacts on West Broadway, where the route was initially proposed. In response, project staff worked with community partners to modify the route to run light rail on 21st Avenue and transform the street into a car-free transitway between 4th Street and James Avenue. The transitway will include wide sidewalks, a bikeway, enhanced street lighting, and landscaping. It also creates the opportunity to add future park and green space, as well as residential and commercial development.
Traveling west, the Lyndale Avenue station will be located between Lyndale and Aldrich Avenues, serving nearby residential areas, 3,400 jobs, shopping, and a major grocery store. This station will also connect students to North Community High School and North Commons Park. Future riders can connect to the popular D-Line rapid bus service from this station. The choice to put tracks on 21st Avenue required treating West Broadway and 21st as one cohesive transportation corridor. To maintain traffic flow and safety for all users in this multimodal corridor, the project will improve street and sidewalk connections to West Broadway and fully reconstruct West Broadway from Lyndale Avenue to the James Avenue station. West Broadway will continue to carry vehicle traffic and have pedestrian accommodations and on-street parking, but with an improved layout to revitalize this critical cultural and commercial corridor.
As the track shifts from 21st Avenue to West Broadway, the train arrives at James Avenue Station. This station will connect riders to key Northside institutions like Juxtaposition Arts, the Minneapolis Public Schools Headquarters Building, the Capri Theater, and the new Neon Food Entrepreneur Incubator.
Serving the bustling intersection at Penn and West Broadway, the Penn Avenue station will seamlessly serve this major business node. Crosswalks and traffic signals at both ends of the platform will enable customers to access the station and local businesses safely from either side of the street. While the Five Points building on the southeast side of the intersection will be purchased for the project, the remaining property could be a key development opportunity to serve the community. project staff heard local business owners' need for parking and have incorporated on-street parking into the design and accounted for off-street parking during and after construction.
On the border of Minneapolis and Robbinsdale, the Lowry Avenue station will serve North Memorial Hospital, improving access to this key medical destination for more than 3,000 employees and thousands of patients every year.
The station is integrated into surrounding parkland, seamlessly serving the Ground Round Scenic Byway Trail System and Victory Memorial Parkway. In response to community and partner feedback, the design of the Lowry Avenue station was changed to avoid at-grade crossings of Theodore Wirth Parkway and Lowry Avenue while keeping the station at ground level. This new design will include 5 bridge structures to separate trains from pedestrians and vehicle traffic. Pedestrian users were also prioritized, and new connections were thoughtfully laid out to serve key destinations and through routes. Park trails and Theodore Wirth Parkway will also be reconstructed in this area. As the Blue Line extension enters downtown Robbinsdale, the route will continue along Bottineau Boulevard. Other changes and improvements as the line approaches downtown Robbinsdale include improved trail connections at Lakeview Terrace Park, a new signalized intersection for access to the Crystal Lake boat launch, and an updated Lakeland Avenue that will become a southbound one-way street with new sidewalks.
The downtown Robbinsdale station will be located at Bottineau Boulevard north of 40th Avenue, serving the heart of Robbinsdale's vibrant downtown. Shopping, restaurants, parks, and other destinations that define the area's charm are mere steps from the station's platform. Enhanced pedestrian safety features and landscaping along Bottineau Boulevard will greatly improve walkability of the area. Stroll down the street from the station where you'll discover local restaurants, breweries, boutique shops, and more. A new park and ride adjacent to the Robbinsdale station will also include a transit center. As the Blue Line extension enters Crystal, Bottineau Boulevard will be reduced from 3 to 2 lanes in both directions. A light rail bridge will be constructed over the CPKC Railroad in the middle of the median of Bottineau Boulevard. As you approach the next station, a new interchange will carry through traffic over Bass Lake Road while the light rail and station remain at ground level. The new roadway ramps will provide efficient access to local businesses and destination for people driving, and were strategically designed to provide open space below the station platform. A surface park and ride to the west will also serve this station, with easy access for pedestrians.
The ground-level station between the new interchange bridges will also provide easy access for transit riders to nearby destinations without crossing busy Bottineau Boulevard. Within a short walk, you'll find Becker Park, Crystal Gallery Mall, and affordable single and multifamily housing just around the corner. Near the station, an improved Crystal Regional Trail will be realigned to Brunswick Avenue and connect to the station. As the light rail leaves Crystal and enters Brooklyn Park, it approaches the 63rd Avenue station.
Located north of 63rd Avenue on County Road 81, this station is served by an existing park and ride on the west of the road, conveniently located just south of Interstate 694, making it a perfect launch point to explore all the vibrant destinations along the Blue Line.
As the Blue Line extension continues through Brooklyn Park, the route will leave County Road 81 and return to West Broadway by way of a flyover bridge. The bridge carries only light rail, separating the tracks from vehicular traffic as the train goes over northbound County Road 81 and 73rd Avenue before coming back to ground level near the intersection of 75th Avenue and West Broadway. The Brooklyn Boulevard station is located near a wide variety of shopping, dining, and recreation destinations. Whether you're running errands or looking to discover new flavors and experiences, this busy business node will deliver. Within a 10-minute walk from Brooklyn Boulevard Station, you can access grocery stores, international foods, restaurants, and the Northwind Plaza Shopping Center.
Your education destination on the Blue Line, the 85th Avenue station offers convenient access to North Hennepin Community College and the Brooklyn Park Library. In addition to serving nearby residential neighborhoods, this station will also connect market-goers to the Brooklyn Park Farmers Market, as well as restaurants and businesses to the west.
Convenient access to 1,200 jobs awaits future riders at 93rd Avenue Station. Serving Brooklyn Park's growing biotech innovation district, This station will serve multiple national and international companies and manufacturing sites, connecting workers with employers to power the next generation of biotechnology.
Just south of Highway 610, as the route approaches Oak Grove Parkway, the light rail tracks will leave the median of West Broadway and continue along the west side of the roadway. The Blue Line extension will cross over Highway 610 on the new light rail bridge.
The northernmost station on the Blue Line extension, Oak Grove Parkway, will serve the developing area near the intersection of Highways 169 and 610, as well as Target Corporation's North Campus. A new park and ride is designed to serve this station, and its layout has the ability to accommodate future residential and commercial development. A wide median with green space, walking paths, and stormwater features will be located across from the station in West Broadway Avenue. Another example of stakeholder and community input influenced design, this grand median is part of a reconstructed, more efficient roadway network to accommodate the new character of this area with the introduction of light rail.
Past Oak Grove Parkway Station, tracks will continue to a new operations and maintenance facility on 101st and Xylon Avenue, where trains will be regularly serviced and cleaned.
The 13 new Blue Line extension stations will connect generations of riders to new opportunities for work, school, healthcare, recreation, and more. This new light rail service will provide a safe and convenient option for people traveling in the Northwest Metro and across the Metro system. With a one-seat ride to the Minneapolis Airport, a single transfer to the Green Line, and many other rapid and local bus routes, residents will be able to easily explore countless vibrant destinations and access essential services across our region. With construction anticipated to start in 2027, the Blue Line extension is your connection to more. For more information, visit bluelineext.org.